Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pair MIDRIVE D07 with MIA70 app. And to do this, first we'll need to click on this button right here on our MIDRIVE D07, then click on it again to enter the settings. Now we need to navigate to the system settings and enter them. There's a Wi-Fi hotspot and it needs to be turned on. You can also click on it to see the hotspot name as well as the password. Now we can move on to the app, and inside you want to click on the plus button right here where there's no device. Then we can go for our rear view mirror dash cam, and actually okay, it's not this one, it's touchscreen dash cam, and then we can start connecting it using the hotspot. It will transfer you to the Wi-Fi settings, and what we need to do is connect to that specific network. And you can see the password right here as well. For your device it might be different. Now it's connected and we can go back.
Tap the confirm button to authorize.
And now we need to tap the confirm button, but in this case it doesn't work, so I'm just gonna click on the button right here underneath it. And we got it. Now our camera is connected with our smartphone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.